warm welcome to day 21 in our 21 Days of Pilates challenge. We're here, guys. This is the last one in the 21 days. A massive congratulations, whether you are here on day 21 as your final class, whether you've taken part in the whole challenge or you're just tuning in today, it does not matter. Even if you just got as far as signing up for the challenge, whatever action or step you have taken, please know that you have taken a step towards doing something really, really good for your health and investing in yourself. You are more important than you know, and I am so proud and privileged that you have taken action and allowed me to be your guide and your teacher on that step, on that journey. So without further ado, 10 minutes, full body, top to toe, our last day of the challenge. Let's get to it. We're going to start in standing, come to the mat if you're not already there. So we're going to find our nice tall spine in our standing position. Our heels are under our sit bones, we're hip distance and parallel, we're nice and even in the hip bones, so we're in our nice neutral position of the pelvis, so we're not kind of lost our curve or overarch. We're in our nice neutral. Find those points on your feet, so base of the big toe, base of the little toe, back of the heel, lengthen up, press down, send that crown of the head, draw the ears over the shoulders, chin in line with your breastbone, let the knuckles reach towards the floor, collarbones wide and open here in that lovely open relaxed posture, that lovely neutral position. And we're going to start with something a little bit fun, actually, something that's going to challenge our balance and our strength. So from this position, you're just going to bring your arms out in front of you, just in line with your shoulders. The palms are going to face in. As you lengthen up, you're just going to float up onto the balls of your feet, find your balance, take a breath in. As you exhale, draw your belly button in towards your spine, start to bend your knees. You're going to lower down towards your heels, keep that control, keep that balance as slow as you can and controlled as you can make it. Don't worry about wobbles or falls or slips. Just reset yourself, start again. See if you can just come down, bum to heels, take a breath in there. As you exhale, draw your belly button in towards your spine, press down into the balls of the feet, lengthen through the crown of the head, and you're going to come all the way back up as slow as you can to standing. Watch your alignment, knees forward, no rolling in if you can help it. Just test yourself. Unfold, bring yourself to standing, draw your ribs down, send the arms up, take a big circle, and as the arms come down, bring your heels down. Congratulate yourself if you got through that. It's a really challenging one. Good. From there, one arm up, we're going to take a lovely big side bend. So press into the foot that you're stretching away or the hip you're stretching away from. Give yourself a little opposition, reach up and out. Hand here, or just lengthen the arm down. Watch there's no rotation, so again, imagine between two sheets of glass, your glutes should be on here, hips are open, and you're going to come back to stack your spine, arm down, bend the knees, keep a softness in those knees, lengthen, take that lovely big side reach. Remember to breathe into the ribs. So remember that breath stretches that upper mid back as well. Gorgeous work, enjoy that. Stack the spine, arm all the way down. Arms come out in front, a little press and release through the shoulder blades. So if I show you from the side, from your nice tall position, arms are neutral here, so the shoulder blades just sitting, hugging the spine. You're going to reach them forward around the spine and then just draw them back together on the rib cage. The arms just stay nice and still. The shoulder blades moving only, so they're forwards, they retract backwards, they protract forwards. If you're going to hug somebody, and then just draw them back, just using the scapula, the shoulder blades. Don't bring the arm into it. Keep lengthening up and neutral. Last little one here. Beautiful work. If I come back to face you, take the arms up. You're going to come into roll down. So chin to chest. Roll all the way down. Let the head go, let the neck go. Soften the backs of the legs. Breath in, restack your spine. Build it from the base all the way to the top. Bring the arms up and overhead. One more like this, chin to chest. Curl all the way down that spine. See if you can move it piece by piece before you start folding at the hips. Let the neck release, let the arms go. Backs of the legs open if you can. A little soft bend and then open them. A little soft bend. Draw that belly button in towards the spine. And then take a little bend at the knees. I'll come onto my mat, but you're going to come into 4-point kneeling. So knees under your hips, wrists under the shoulders. Find your neutral position in your spine here. Lift your heart away from the mat. Active upper mid back. Untuck your back toes. Draw that belly button up. You're just going to float your knees a little inch off the mat. So when you're ready, as you exhale, center, connect with that breath, connect with that deep core. Float the knees, just hold it. Softness through the elbows. Sit bones are wide, so watch for tucking under. Keep pressing that mat away. Hold it here. 3, 2, 1, draw the knees down. If this is too much, you know you can skip it. Take a little breath in, exhale. Same again, just repeat everything, keeping all those lovely connections. So ribs to the pelvis, abs up and in, pressing that mat away, upper mid back engaged, chin in line with the breastbone, sit bones wide, just a little inch. We've got this. 3, 2, 1. We're just building that little corset muscle, that little bit of strength there. Good. We're going to do it one more time. Breath in, wide to the ribs as you exhale. Shoulders down the back, center, and then just float those knees, a little hover, just a little micro inch. Holding here, building that strength the whole time. For 3, 2, 1, and then releasing down. Well done. Coming onto your side, we're going to go into a little side lying legs. So you're going to lengthen the underneath arm. Underneath leg is up, chair position. I'm going to pop my head up and lengthen the top leg away. So in line with the hip, find your lift in the underneath waist. Center, make sure you're stacked. And then we're doing a little sequence here. So you're going to lift and lower for 3. So that's 2. That's 1. Top hand can be here. Pause, flex the ankle, so toes towards your face. Bring the leg forward, point, draw the leg behind the body. Kick forward, point, draw it behind. Kick forward, keep nice and stable. Keep that lift in the underneath waist, draw it behind. Good, bring the leg back to center. In line with the hip, point the foot. You're going to do 3 circles. 2, 3. And we're going to repeat that. So lift and lower for 3. Flex the ankle, kick forwards, draw the leg back for 3. Center here, keep that nice connection. Point, 3 circles. 1, 2. So keep the ribs connecting, keep the ribs drawing down. Woo. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Stack that leg there. Press yourself over to the other side. Side lying here. So again, you can be here. You can have the head down resting. I'm going to prop mine up so I can see underneath leg folded. Lengthen, find your neutral, lift the underneath waist. So really stretch that leg away into the little sequence here. All of our joints stacked. So you're going to lift and lower. Point the foot. 1, 2, 3. Flex the ankle, kick forward, point, draw the leg behind. So kick like a ball. Point, draw the leg behind. As the leg draws behind, keep centered. So don't take the spine with you, just move the leg. Back to hip height. 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. So I'm talking fast so we can fit everything in the 10 minutes. Reverse your circle. 2, 3. Beautiful work. Same again. So we're going for a lift and lower. Keep reaching that foot. Keep the underneath waist lifted. Shoulder draws down the back. Flex the ankle. Kick. Point. Keep connected. Kick. Breathe it out. Leg back and then 3 circles. See if you can really start to tap into all these little things you've learned in the last 21 days. It all come together hopefully today. You've done an incredible job. Whether you've done 10 minutes, 1 minute, the whole challenge, doesn't matter. It all adds up. Beautiful work. Stack that leg there. Coming onto your back, we're coming into roll up. So if you've done the little exercise breakdown video, you'll know what modifications you need and what level you're going to work at. I'm going to do the full one. So I'm going to extend my legs. I'm going to take my arms overhead. I'm going to take a breath in as I exhale. I'm going to center, drawing my belly button down, getting my little corset muscle on. Start with my chin to chest, head, neck. See if I can roll through each part, reach beyond the toes, each part of the spine, a little stretch up the back. And then I'm going to lower down piece by piece. Keep that control. Take the arms up and overhead. I'm going to do 2 more. Exhale. Chin to chest. Get that scoop. Reaching forward. Exhale. All the way back down. Remember, you can be doing this with the legs bent. You can be using the hands to help you get to where you need to get to. Weights for a little cheat. My little secret cheat. And all the way back down. Beautiful. From there, circle the arms, bring the knees in, set yourself up, relaxation position. Heels in line with the sit bones. We're hip distance parallel. Good. We're going to come into double leg stretch. So another one of the exercises that we've looked at in the 21 days. So you're going to stack one knee on your exhale, stack the other knee. Separate them, so knees now float over hips. Feet are connected, hands to the sides of the shins as you exhale, chin to chest, curling up. When you're ready, double leg stretch. Take what level. You should know if you've done the exercise video. So remember, full version is this. I'll give you a little reminder. Level 2 is just working here, practicing that. And then level 3 would just be holding the position and working the arms. I had to think about that there. Good. Or if you're with me on the full version, press the legs. Last 3, 2, stay up on this one. Hands behind the head, into crisscross, draw the legs together. Exhale. Shoulder to opposite hip. See if you can get off those shoulder blades. Rotate from your ribs. 2. Last one. Beautiful work. Hands behind. Draw the knees in. Take the head down. Roll it from side to side. That's gorgeous. You're going to gently come over to lie on your front. Lengthen the legs out. Coming into swimming. So arms and legs, width of the mat, head rests down. I'll just keep mine up so you can hear me slightly. So you're going to move from a strong center. So you're going to lift your abs, connect your abdominals, connect your breathing, send your pubic bone down, draw the shoulders down the back. Now, we're going to do the full version. If it becomes too much, you're just going to work the legs, take the head back down. But the full version, head, neck, float the arms and the legs, and then we're into swimming, as if you were kind of, let's pretend we're in the med, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Good. Lift from your glutes and your hamstrings, get the shoulders working, from the shoulder joint, from the scapula. Good. Keep that connection in the center. Keep drawing those abs up and in. 3, 2, 1, and then float, lengthen everything out, and then release. Woo! Everything down to the mat. Amazing work. Gather your breath. Send your bum back to your heels for rest position. A little counter stretch. Breath in. Stretch those ribs. Exhale. Breath out. Walk your hands back in. Restack your spine. And congratulate yourself for completing day 21 of your 21 Days of Pilates challenge. I am so grateful for you for taking part, for committing and making that time for yourself. Whether you did one workout, 1 minute, or you did the whole challenge, you should be so proud of yourself for taking that time to invest in your health, to look after yourself. You're so worthy of it. If you enjoyed it and you'd like to continue with Pilates, then I would encourage you and would love to see you in my community, the Life Tonic Club. You can find out more by having a little look at ostaralivingonline.com. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Stick with it. Keep finding those little moments. There's plenty here on my YouTube channel to keep you entertained. And if you have any requests, then do send me a message. I hope to see you again so soon. Take care of yourselves.